What's up, guys? It's Lewis here from LEC Blood Homo 5 with my next pack opening. Two packs again. Not because Monday is my favourite day of the week, but it's not. It's actually my least favourite day of the week. There's a reason for it, but I'm not going to explain. So yeah, I'm back, but I'm doing the two packs again, which I did on Friday. Sorry I didn't do one for Saturday, Sunday. I probably won't do them Saturday, Sundays or something. But you never know. I might do it sometimes. Um, just just to I don't know, because I don't usually get them on the weekend. So yeah, pack one. Well, yeah. This is what I do to get them open now, because they're really mega hard to get open actually. Oh, what do you know? What's that? Fan's favourite. Who's this? Oh, there we go. Sergio Ramos. Sergio Ramos. There's a hideator over there. He'll help me pronounce their names. There it is. Sergio Ramos. Fan's favourite. Barcelona player. Oh, Barcelona. There it is. And then fan's favourite. Yep, so attack is 78, defence is 95, and his penalty taken is 91. Right. Oh, good card, very good card from the first card. Who's this? Hugo Lloris.
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 Hugo Lloris.
Who's Hugo Lloris? Yes. Right. His attack is 65. His defending is 88, and his penalty taken is 80. I think it's penalty taken. I'm not really sure. Oh. So yeah, here's my next guy. Fabio Contrail. Contral. Right. His attack is 76. His defense is 85. Well, his defending is 85. And his penalty taken is 82. So yeah, good card. Right, my next card, my third last one. Hilder Postiga. Yeah, from Portugal. There is.
Heider Postiga.
Hilder Postiga. There is. He's very bad at pronouncing his name, but alright, attack is 86. His defense is 66. And his penalty taken is 85. Sorry, I keep doing that with my nose in my mouth, like that, because I know something really weird happens to my mouth. But feel free to make fun of me crap about that in the comments, by the way. Who's my next guy? Miroslav Klose.
Miroslav Klose.
Klose. It is Miroslav Klose.
Miroslav Klose.
Miroslav Klose. Alright, his attack is 91. Ooh, his defense is 62, and his penalty taken is 88. And now for my last card, Pepe. Pepe. Yeah. Pepe. But yeah. His yep, there he is. Pepe. Alright, his attack is 72, and his defense is 90, and his penalty taken is 91. Alright, so that's it for my first pack. So, quite good pack. I like that. Good pack. Right, now for my last pack. I'm going to open this. It's the first time I put it last time. I'm going to have to bite it. Yeah, I'm going to try it. Good. Oh my god. I'll do it eventually. Right, got it, I think. No, I didn't. No. How do you do it? Yeah. Yeah, that's can you turn that in, please? Sorry about this, guys. Very much. I'll do that, thank you very much. Thank you to quite bad clothes in this pack. Quite bad clothes in this pack, I would say. Well, no.
Typical crackers don't have any law.
There's the first guy, Lucas Podolski. Yes. Right, his attack is 84, and his defense is 63, and his penalty taken is 79. So not bad card, not really. Here's my next card. Daniel Pranchik. Yes, Daniel Pranchik. He's from. But yep, it is. His name. And his attack is 76. Defense is 70, and his penalty taken is 78. So, nah, not really good. But, oh well, it doesn't matter. I've actually got good cards. Yeah, I've got like one good card. Konstantin Zeranov. It is. There's his name. Right. His attack is 82, his defense is 83, and his penalty taken is 88. So, yeah. Got 3 more cards. Right, my next guy, Luke Remy. Luke Remy. He plays for France. Ooh, he's from France. This. Attack is 88, and his defense is 66, and also his penalty taken is 84. So, not bad card, not bad card. Right, next card, Sebastian Larson. There he is. Yep. His attack is 82, his defense is 74, and his penalty taken is 80. Okay. So, yeah, not a bad card. Now for my last card. Wesley Snyder. Schneider. So yeah, wait, did I do this card? Must have dropped him. Yeah. Oh well. There he is. Schneider. His attack is 90, his defense is 82, and his penalty taken is 91. So very good card. Very good card. And the last card, the very last card, I think. Yes. Sorry, I'm not focused. But yep, it is. There's my last card. Hildar Postiga.
You've already done her.
Oh well. I must have got a double one.
No, remember I said Here, give me that card and I'll put it in there now.
That must have been in. Yeah. Oh, they have a. I must have been. Alright, sorry about that. Hope you guys have enjoyed this next pack opening. I've actually got a lot of cards now, like compared to what like the first day I got these cards. Because at first I didn't really I wasn't really into them, but now I started to buy them, and now I'm really into them. So yeah, that's how big my pack is now. That's my pack now. I've got a couple of good players. With some Ibrahimovic, star player, Mark Van Bommel, yep, Thomas Rosicky. I've actually been offered a deal at school for this guy, Thomas Rosicky. But he seems like a really good player. 99 attack. Jesus God. Also, Ashley Young. I was offered something for that guy. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this pack opening. I'm not sure what number this is, but oh well. I've also just uploaded part 1 of my Jak and Daxter the Precursor Legacy playthrough for my LEC Gaming 115 channel. So I'll put the link in the description to go and check that out, or it'll be down this the recommended videos on this side or that side, whatever side you guys are on. I don't know. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Peace out. Bye bye.